hiked up to the vineyard. Thankfully didn't see any snakes. Grapes are growing really well. Irrigation seems to be working on most of the plants. You can see some beautiful grapes there. I mean, we weren't expecting any grapes this year because we're only in year 1 of the vines. And they're really not supposed to start producing until year 3, I believe. Looks like the birds and others are probably taking some advantage of what we have here. We don't have any protection on them. This year is kind of like, let it grow, see what happens. If we have enough, we'll try to do something with them. But we're really not expecting a lot. And they're not grapes you can just eat. They're not table grapes. They have specific duties. But they are beautiful. And they're far more than I thought I would ever grow. I went into this like with the olives with zero experience. Sort of plant and see what happens kind of mentality. And this Poway soil is amazing. It's insanely expensive, but it also delivers great crops. So I've been trying to water these more each day. Putting more and more water on them, which will be fun when that water bill comes. But wow, look at that up there. It's just insane. And it's so cool. Because this was just a nasty, or not nasty, but just a hillside before that was harboring ground squirrels and other things that are not great for growing. And now we just have grapes growing up here.